People are sometimes skeptical about psychometric tests, afraid the results will paint a negative picture of them. But used correctly, they're safe and powerful tools for developing leaders and employees. So in this episode of the Find, Grow, Keep podcast, I take you through some steps on how you can use them correctly and how you can choose the right ones to use. So first things, we need to identify what we want to develop. And I call this, we're looking for a mirror or an X-ray. Are we looking for information on ourselves or on ourselves as a team? And once we know that, then we actually need to look at, what are the assessments that are available? There's a lot out there. So what are the right ones, and are they scientifically valid and reliable? When we know what we're using, we need to work out, how are we actually going to give the information back to the leader or to the employees? Is it through a workshop? Is it one-on-one coaching? Is it facilitation? So talking to the person that is certified to give that information about the best way to deliver. And then finally, when we're ready to go out to our staff to say we're going to use these tools for development, explaining the goals. So why are we using this? What's actually our outcome? What are we hoping to achieve by using these assessments in our business? And of course, then we go into, what kind of test should we use and what options are out there? And there are a lot, and they all have different strengths and weaknesses. So I talk through some of the pros and cons of some of the more popular types of assessments also in episode 24 of our Find, Grow, Keep podcast. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, or ideas for other episodes, please feel free to leave a comment or get in touch, connect with me on LinkedIn, and we can start a conversation.